Nabo Atongeria ba MERU ni bonekene kwithirwa bari na mirungamo mwanya mwanya bo Atongeria bwa NGABANA wa MERU Bishop KAWIRA Mwangaza ore BAMWE bakuga ni MUTONGERIA ATITHIKIRAGA gutarwa na ate ni untu bobomo mwekuru mu MERU gutongeria ate kunyamarwa ni antu muno arume Atongeria ba baritete barite jaza kire kigomano gya kuruguria yuku reankatha wa uria wachuaga giti kia ubunge Tigania West ni wenda gitari Kilemi Mweria ondi nawe uria wari NGABANA MERU KIRAITU murungi augite ni akugwirirwa uturo bwawe kuraja na gituma gya siasa. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Boniface Mongera ni agutwacho ikinya.
Kere kiatho gya kuruguria mwakuja eri jankatha kiremwire Daktari Sara Mwakiuna Kilemi kiraithikirite aja Nairobi utugobokira ntukwena arua Atongeria mwanya barabara likwibara jukire kanyaka obo bwega kwithiro bethombia utongeri bwa thirikari nene na inyankoroki thirikari kaunti MERU ithaki baria bararire nteto cia MERU barugire na thina iri kwithiro mwongojo MERU mwankira nande juta kumbatiri utongeri wa mwekoro na icio thina shimurumirite Gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza
is that MERUs can't stand women politicians. A lot of MERUs are backward when it comes to that compared to other parts of the country. It's very unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. So we hope we'll get over that, because the first woman member of parliament was from Imenti South. She never lasted long and she got into a lot of problems. After that, any woman who contested to win an MP, you would be abused, you would be beaten up.
MERU is a patriarchal society. Nimetoka kwa siasa kidogo, alafu nikapatiwa kiti na Gavana Mama KAWIRA Mwangaza, akanipea kiti ya CEC, waziri wa youth, gender, social and social development. Kidogo vita ikakuja. Kidogo vita zimekuja. Kivumbi 7 CECs tuko nje.
Kibangi barale moni nkorani ukolente tuje MERU no tongere bwa Gavana KAWIRA Mwangaza.
I and many other women are not able to reach her, and that has been a problem. So we have tried, and I know many have called me asking me, why can't you help her? And I said, I have written to her, I've called her, she doesn't come back. You can't help someone who doesn't want to be helped.
Ogo kinyira kanya ka Gavana Karajo kaunti MERU bona KIRAITU murungi na rugirwe na thambire njira cia sene na kagite ni gaka kiria kuthithia muno gutungatira muturire jwawe na family ewe.
And I said from now on I'll be myself and I will never accept a prefect in my life. If I make mistakes, let be my own mistakes. And that is where I am now. I think I got self-determination and I liberated myself from all the forces around me. So KIRAITU is myself.
So we have walked the journey for 30 years. We've been in politics. There has been a lot of ups and downs, sometimes more downs than ups. As a wife of a politician, people also think you are a politician. When he was elected governor of MERU, everyone kept asking, and where is Priscilla? And where is Priscilla? And I'm like, you didn't elect me to be the governor. I don't have a salary as the wife of a governor, but they want me to be there by his side all the time.
If you enter inside the mind of a Kenyan voter, it's very hard to understand, because they cheat you of how they are going to vote for you, and on the day of the voting they don't vote for you.
Daktari Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka orari mugeni ogitio akerena rathumbiro bobo gathirikari msamo Ruto nonto botendire siriba kenomba kuthira bakini kanganjurire chirera mpwenja merire kirorito imatha karua.
I saw that one of the commissioners could not take it, he resigned. What is this? Are we therefore preparing you want to run in 2027? But what kind of an election will it be if the Electoral Commission would be a one-man show? We must as Kenyans ask ourselves these questions.
What is very disturbing about politics today is that the more we change, the more things remain the same. And I've realized the journey of transformation never ends.
Maukuja eri Daktari Sara Mwakiuna Kilemi jara kiongona gichongo the deputy mom na the Foge Tunnel aririte mono muturejo mwakuro family na inyankoroki mwakuro mwana siasa.
In 2027 I must be on that box.
in the ballot box.
People say she's a better politician than I am. But because I've always been contesting, I've never given her that chance. Maybe it's time for me to stop so she can be a politician.
Nke reporter Antashoro TV Weekendi kumaja kingi nangine kisipoke Nairobi Mbita Bonfils Mongera.